So in this video today, we're going to be creating a Mother's Day simple and beautiful floral DIY with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now I have this beautiful heart here from my stash and also this teddy bear, which goes perfectly with what we're about to make. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Mother's Day Simple and Beautiful Floral DIY Open collaboration. This is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Eventful Living with Kay, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, The Crafty Doll, and Donna Decor, and more. Now here we're starting out with the painting, so you can choose the color that you would like. We're going here with some yellow. So here I decided to add some lavender. I find the combination of these colors look beautiful. So next, we're going to take two of these mini trees from the Dollar Tree. I purchased them during Easter time, so I was able to get this beautiful color. Now, I'm going to show you how I go ahead and zip tie these two trees together. Now I'm going to go ahead and zip tie very tightly these two trees together. Okay, and then this is very well going to look beautiful if you use it as a swag. The difference is going to be the bow and what you place in it. Now, once you have that secure, you start puffing out those branches, and we know that the Dollar Tree's trees are usually on the sparse side. So I'm going to go ahead and use some deco mesh in a similar color. Now I decided to go ahead and poof out the deco mesh, and so all we need to do is attach it to the swag / centerpiece. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Now the wooden pieces should be dry, and so what we're going to do is work on attaching them. I'm going to use jute twine for this. Now, once I figure out how I'm going to attach this and tie it down, we're going to start working on the florals that we're going to add to the centerpiece. So here I found some flowers that we're going to go ahead and add to the centerpiece. So of course, if you're using this as a swag, then you would have to untie the jute twine and then reattach the wooden pieces to face in the direction that the swag is facing. Now, these darker purple flowers I thought were perfect because they'll pop out and along with the other florals. Now, because I'm using this as a centerpiece, we're not going to be adding a bow. We're going to be adding the bow if we're using it as a swag, which we can do right after Mother's Day. Now, doesn't this look absolutely gorgeous? I am loving it. Now, I'm going to display this centerpiece swag at the reveal by itself, and then stay tuned till the end because you're going to see it displayed in a different way. I think this turned out absolutely beautiful. Is this not a gorgeous display of this beautiful color centerpiece from Mother's Day? I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.